Hello and welcome to a video on how to write definitions which are used as separate subroutines. Definitions are basically a section of code that doesn't run until the main program calls upon it. On the screen at the moment I have a basic code using a definition. If I run it, it will run this simple code that prints random Python tutorials. Of course, if you were using this in a proper program, you'd have a much larger program as a definition, but because this is an example, it doesn't matter. Now I'm going to talk you through how the definitions work and how you can use them. Now first off, you can have a variable or anything, and if it's defined, the definition will still know it as what it's called. So name is equal to random Python tutorials. The definition still knows that name is equal to random Python tutorials. But if you put in the brackets, this is why I have other name, which is the random gamer. If you put in the brackets here, other name, and then you have in the brackets here, name, and then if I run this code now, it prints the random gamer. This is because in the main program, you're giving example, which is this definition, of a name, which is the random gamer. But in the actual definition itself, in the brackets is name, not other name. So then other name is then made, is then made to equal other name. Meaning that when you print name, you're actually printing other name, which is the random gamer. And this is simply how definitions work. All you need to do is have it as a subroutine, which if you've got a big program and you suddenly want to run a certain thing that you could run multiple times or whatever, you can call upon it as a definition. So just remember, if you have a variable or a constant called something else, but then you have it in the brackets as something else as well, then it doesn't matter, as other name will be made as name in this subroutine, in this definition, So for a quick recap, other name will equal name, meaning it will print the random gamer. I hope you've learnt something today, and subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I will see you in the next video.